Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M34 and today I would like to show you how you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to open an app called My Files. When you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, select while using or allow in the pop-ups, and then tap on Downloads category. As you can see, my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it, pick the perfect source, and select just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!